Welcome or welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're interested in seeing how I got this nail look, then just keep on watching. Okay, what's good, everybody? So first things first, we're starting out with what you need. You're going to need some nails from wherever you want to get them from. Mine are from Amazon. You need a gel curing lamp, alcohol, rubbing alcohol, the gel nail polish that you're going to be using, acetone, a nail design brush. Mine is a lip color brush for makeup, but I'm using it anyway. You're going to need a base and top coat that is also gel curing, of course, and some extra jewelry designs if you want, cotton balls as well. You're going to also need nail glue and nail file. I'm sorry, I just had a brain fart. And nail clippers. So now let's get started. Whoops, you also need a cuticle pusher. So we're going to be starting by pushing the cuticles down so that no glue sticks to them, and that will be, saving our skin from any pain. I just want to point out how important it is to take care of your skin. Look at that. Look at that. That is painful and it is not cute and it's not fun. Please take care of your cuticles, everybody. Okay, let's continue the video. I've got all the nails that I need picked out, and then we're just going to glue them on and we're going to begin the shaping process. The shape I like to go for is coffin, and I want these to be medium length, not too long, not too short. So that's what we're going to be going for today.
Six-year-old child with this blank, pale, emotionless face, the blackest eyes, the devil's eyes. What there is the dead will walk the earth. us greedy lot.
Alright, so now that we got the shape down, we're going to be using our base coat to prep the nails. We're going to put that on over the entire nail and cure it for about 30 to 60 seconds.
Turn the slide.
So after we've got that done, we're going to take our gel nail polish colors that we're going to be using. I'm using 5 different colors. This set comes with 6, but I'm just using the 5. So I'm going to be taking that and applying 2 coats and curing it for about 60 to 90 seconds each. Okay, so now it's time for the designs. So my designs were used with non-gel colors. So I used a white and a red that were non-gel, but it worked out because once you put the top coat over it, it will apply just the same as gel. So I'm going to be taking this white nail polish and I'm going to be writing boo on my black fingers, and then I'm going to be drawing eyeballs on the green fingers. And I'm going to make the orange finger jack-o'-lantern, and the purple finger will be spider on it. So take your time. You can do any design you want to. It's up to you. This is the design I chose. Done the design, I'm going to be curing my nails for about 90 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with the top coat. So now we're applying the top coat, and we're going to apply it over the whole nail, of course, and then we're going to do the exact same process on the other hand. Literally the exact same process. So just follow the same steps, rewind the video if you have to do the other hand as well. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This was a really fun nail tutorial. I do recommend buying a UV lamp or an LED lamp because it was a great investment and it takes the time off of doing your nails tremendously. So please do follow me on Instagram and social media and tag me in your recreations of this look. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again so much.